So good morning to all. So in this video series, mainly we see the screw thread parameters. Okay, screw thread parameters. The screw thread parameter is very important in our core fields and also measurements areas. So in unit 3, majorly the portion is screw thread and gear is the first part. First part is the 4 topics. The first topic is the screw thread parameters and also how to measure the screw thread, and also second part is the gear parameters, how to measure the gears, and the second portion is the surface finish measurement. So in this surface finish measurements, majorly the 4 types is very important to measure the or to finish the good quality, to finish the bad quality to good quality. This is your main target. Okay. That is a screw thread. So screw thread is simply nut bolt. So screw thread is simple equipment, but in this equipment majorly it is measured by the screw thread micrometers. Normally I have told the micrometer types. Micrometer is very important. So in this micrometer types, majorly the pitch scale and also head scale, the 2 scale is majorly rolled in our micrometer areas. So the pitch scale is the 0.5 level values, the head scale is these rotating scales. So easily you measure the coincidence values also, and also easily measure the main values also. So the least count value is the 0.01. Already I told the least count also. The least count is the minimum measurement. So minimum measurement is the 0.01 mm for micrometer. If it is vernier caliper means 0.02 mm. So these are the one of the categories. Okay. So this is one category. Okay, good. Okay. So this micrometer is majorly used to measure the screw thread. Single ball micrometer, 2 balls, 3 balls micrometers. Lot of micrometers is there for to measure, especially measured for screw cages. Okay. So if it is okay, so the screw cages is one of the part, and also gears is also one of the part. Already we saw the gear parameters, and also how to measure the gear surfaces. So how to mate the gears. So importantly, we check the mating of the gear means the Parkinson gear systems. Parkinson gear systems is the important role for to measure the mating of the gears. Because the mating of the gear is very important. Gear main application is to transmit the power from one area to another area and another area to one area. But ஒரு பவர் டிரான்ஸ்மிட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா 2 gears மேட் ஆகணும். அந்த மேட்டிங் ப்ராப்பராக இருக்கும். அந்த மேட்டிங் பர்ஃபெக்டாக இல்லை, ப்ராப்பராக இல்லை அப்படின்னா definitely that system will be totally failure. So the how to measure the mating of the gear means by using the testing machines, the Parkinson gear testing machines. So in this type of testing machines is too easy to measure the mating of the gears. This is one of the separate categories. Okay. Another one is the surface quality. The surface quality is very important, because to remove the unwanted surfaces, that is the roughness surfaces. So that is very important. Stylus proof. And another one is especially for surface meters. So these are the meters is majorly focused on to measure the surface quality, to measure the surface quality. The surface quality is very important in our area. So to measure the surface quality is separate categories. Okay. So the surface quality is very important in our third units. So in this month of video series, I covered the third unit portions. Deeply you have to see means I have shared the materials, PPT and also PDF materials is also, and I already uploaded the course also, so there is no problem. But simply I told the light concept of the areas. Okay. So this is a gear. So the gear testing methods. This is a screw thread methods. So surface finishing. Okay. Already deeply we see in our metrology lab the gear measuring machines, gear tooth measuring machines. Already I finished the topic, that experiments for both sections. Okay. Okay. So there is no problem. How to measure the gear tooth by using the gear tooth vernier. So gear tooth vernier is totally different compared to the normal vernier. Already I told in our experiments in our metrology lab also. Okay. So this is also one of the categories. Okay, thank you.